For a central, all-inclusive holiday in Benidorm, Rosamar Hotel is a fantastic choice. Located just minutes from Levante Beach, this hotel offers great facilities, a lively atmosphere, and entertainment for all ages. Rooms are modern, spacious, and designed for comfort. Many with private balconies offering city or pool views. The outdoor pool area is a highlight, with a large swimming pool, sun terrace, and plenty of lounges, plus a newly added water park with slides for extra fun. Dining is varied, with a buffet restaurant offering international and Spanish cuisine, plus bars for snacks and drinks throughout the day. With evening entertainment, a games area, and a prime location near bars, restaurants, and shops, Rosamar Hotel is ideal for families and couples looking for a fun and convenient stay.